In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up due date reminder automations in Monday.com. To get started, open the Monday.com board where you track your tasks and due dates. This is the board you want the reminders to come from, so take a moment to make sure you're in the right place. Reminder automations are especially useful when you want to stay ahead of deadlines without needing to manually check every item each day. Once you're inside the board, make sure it includes a date column. This is important because the automation needs a date to know exactly when to send the reminder. If your board already has a due date field, you're good to go. Just confirm that the correct dates are being used since the reminder timing will depend on the information in that column. Next, click on Automations. You'll usually find this near the top of the board. This section is where Monday.com lets you create rules that happen automatically based on certain conditions. In this case, the condition is tied to a due date and the action is sending a reminder. From there, choose a reminder automation recipe. Monday.com offers ready-made templates, which makes this part much easier. Look for one that matches the kind of reminder you want to send. Using a recipe saves time and helps you avoid building the automation from scratch. After selecting the recipe, set the trigger. This means choosing when the reminder should go out in relation to the due date. For example, you can choose to send the reminder before the date, on the exact date, or after the due date has passed. Pick the timing that makes the most sense for your workflow. If your team needs advance notice, choose a reminder before the deadline. And if you want a same-day alert, set it for the due date itself, then choose who should receive the reminder. Depending on how your board is set up, this could be the item owner, a specific person, or another relevant user connected to the task. Make sure the reminder goes to the person who is responsible for taking action, so the automation is actually helpful. Finally, save the automation and test it. Saving activates the rule, but testing helps you confirm that everything works the way you expect. Double check the date settings, the recipient, and the timing so you can feel confident the reminders will go out correctly. That's it. Once your reminder automation is in place, Monday.com can help you stay organized and keep deadlines from slipping through the cracks.